Let's talk about strategy for 22.1. First and foremost, this is a 15-minute workout, meaning if you were to run like 1.5 miles or almost 2 miles, what pace would you be at? That's what you want to think about. If you come out too quick, we saw it with Noah Olson, your body will run out of steam. You want to make sure that you take your time, and in the last 60 seconds, then you can fire the jets. The first thing that will start to fail on you will be those wall walks, so make sure that you approach those in a way that you can sustain. If you need to take longer breaks in the beginning so that they don't go away on you, then do it.
For the wall walks, make sure that you are patient. Patient releasing your hands from the tape and patient releasing your feet from the wall. This got so many people last year. Take your time, it's not worth a no rep. So the best way to stay in control on these wall walks is to push up and into the wall as you're going up and as you're coming down. If you can and you feel comfortable, take a large first step. Push up and then reach. If you have the strength to then push up and into the wall. You can do the same thing on the way down, reach for the tape, and then step down. This will only be possible if you maintain that big reach into the floor and pushing yourself up and into that wall. If you're going to need to rest between reps, make sure that you don't come down and then push up again into this seated position. That is an extra push. You want to save that strength. So come down to the bottom of the wall walk and then just rest. When you're ready, you can then approach that wall walk again. With the dumbbell snatch, you want to make sure that it is a leg movement, not an arm movement. So make sure that you are driving with your legs. The more you can keep your foot in contact with the floor, the better propulsion you will have straight up. If you have not practiced transitioning from one hand to the other in the air, practice it during your warm-up. Get comfortable with it. Know exactly how you're going to do it so you don't have to figure it out during the workout. You have two options here. You can either drop it into the other hand and then take it down, or you can bring your elbow back down by your side, switch here, and then finish the rep with the other hand. This will generally be the portion of the workout where you just have to suck it up and pick up that dumbbell.
Lastly, we have the box jump over. You have to step down this year. That's fine. That tends to be a very good way to conserve energy and to stay safe. Ideally, you would stay very low to the box. This could be challenging for a lot of people, especially if you don't have the strength in your quads to carry you through the later round. If that's the case, just land a little bit higher. You're better off starting and staying in a position that you can maintain throughout the entire 15 minutes. When it comes to stepping down, think about stepping down with alternating legs. In order to do this, it would be best if you stay facing the same side and then step down with the outside leg. When you're thinking about transitioning quickly into the next jump, think about where you are placing your feet. You don't want to just come off the box and flop around all over the place and have accessory motion. You want to put your foot down, put the other foot down, and then be able to return right into that next box jump. Lastly, think about timing your arms with the descent of that second leg, so that when that leg is coming down, you are now loading yourself up so that you can go right into that next jump. Remember, the goal is to have fun, stay safe, and learn from this experience. The Open is not meant to injure you, and it is not meant to disrupt your regular training. Make sure you plan accordingly. Best of luck, and I'll see you on the leaderboard.